Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today, we're exploring the Indian Scout Rogue, a striking motorcycle that combines classic design with modern performance. With its bold aesthetics and powerful engine, the Scout Rogue is designed for those who crave both style and substance. Let's dive into what makes this bike a standout in the Indian motorcycle lineup. Design and aesthetics. The Indian Scout Rogue exudes a rebellious spirit with its dark and aggressive styling. Featuring a low-slung silhouette and muscular lines, this motorcycle captures attention wherever it goes. The bike is adorned with a minimalist, bobber-inspired design that includes a chopped rear fender and a solo seat, giving it a unique, custom look. The matte black finish, along with chrome accents, enhances its rugged appeal, making it a perfect fit for riders who want to make a statement. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Scout Rogue lies the renowned 1133 Seek V twin engine, known for its smooth power delivery and impressive torque. This liquid-cooled engine produces around 100 horsepower, providing plenty of punch for city cruising and highway riding alike. The bike's 6-speed transmission ensures smooth gear changes, while the low center of gravity enhances handling, making it agile and responsive on the road. Whether you're navigating tight corners or straight stretches, the Scout Rogue delivers a thrilling ride. Comfort and ergonomics. Rider comfort is a top priority with the Scout Rogue. The solo seat is designed for long rides, providing ample cushioning and support. The bike's ergonomic positioning allows for a relaxed riding posture, making it suitable for both short trips and extended journeys. Additionally, the adjustable clutch and brake levers cater to a range of rider preferences, ensuring a personalized fit for every rider. Technology and features. The Indian Scout Rogue is equipped with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. The bike features a digital gauge cluster that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. While the Rogue embraces a classic aesthetic, it doesn't skimp on functionality, offering a USB charging port for your devices. Riders can also take advantage of optional accessories like saddlebags and custom exhausts to personalize their ride further. Conclusion. In summary, the Indian Scout Rogue is a motorcycle that seamlessly blends timeless design with contemporary performance. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and striking looks make it an excellent choice for riders seeking both style and substance. Whether you're cruising the streets or hitting the open road, the Scout Rogue is ready to deliver an exhilarating ride. Thank you for joining us on Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle insights and adventures. Keep riding, and we'll see you in the next video.